Hi there, my name's Paul, and today I'm going to review the Ling language learning app. For a few weeks, I had been looking for an app to learn Thai from, as I'll be moving to Chiang Mai in August. I had checked a few sources online and I hadn't really found anything suitable until I came across the Ling app on Chiang Mai Expat Facebook page. I was able to get a copy of the app, and I'd been just working my way through it for the first week, and I liked how user friendly it was. Um, I want to learn simple conversation, and within the first couple of lessons, I was feeling quite confident in things like pronunciation. And one thing I did enjoy was especially the pronunciation test, where where it records how I'm saying certain things and grades me. It kind of makes it fun, it makes it a little bit more interesting, and it kind of motivates you to keep going because the content is challenging enough that you want to keep going to try and do better than you've done before. And on top of that, I just enjoyed how it was, as I said, very user friendly. I'm still working my way through the app. There's quite a lot of features in the unlocked version, which are very useful. And I'm still working my way through those, and so far so good. I've been enjoying it. It's been challenging but not too intense, and it keeps it a nice level of fun. Thank you.